Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times last week, including Friday, so that's where the green line is coming from there. And I want to start off right at that point because really going forward, it seems as though the price is wanting to just form into a channel. And I'm not saying that in a bad or good way, but that's just kind of the fact of the matter as basically the past couple of days have unfolded. Of course, you got to get rid of the big fall that happened on Friday morning, but after the fall stopped right here, around 11ish, give or take, essentially the price has just started to drift sideways. So that's what I really want to get mapped out here. So the bottom part of the channel is going to be right here at 55 cents, which is also very important for other reasons. Why? I'm not going to beat that dead horse anymore. You can go back and watch the videos in the archive, but just know that 55 cents represents progress, and assuming you are bullish, progress is a good thing. On the flip side of it all, we now need to kind of finish out this pattern, and for that we'll add in our level of resistance, or the top portion of the pattern, which is where the sellers would be hanging out. And after today has finished with our data, we now have quite a good idea of where the sellers are currently sitting at, and that's right up there at 61 cents. Again, going back through the history of the day, you can, and this goes back to Friday too, but whenever the price has gotten right up around this area, you can see that each and every time the price has smacked it back down. So as it stands right now, if you want to just quickly summarize this to your friends, if they ask you, hey, how's tops doing, you can just say 30-minute channel pattern. Top of the channel, 61 cent resistance. Bottom of the channel, 55 cent report. And really, until then, not much else I can say from the a quote-unquote storybook perspective until something happens. And again, we are quote-unquote defining something happens as either a breakout to the upside of 61 or a breakdown to the downside of 55 cents. Now, if you are a day trader, then yeah, I get it. This right here is kind of a little magical playground for you right now. You can scalp and do all that good stuff. But as far as big picture is concerned, yeah, just a wait and see. So we'll see how the week unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.